Lisbon's location in the westernmost point of Europe has been so influential in how this city has evolved. And it started from the 1400s to the 1600s with all this exploration across the seas. But I'm here at the port now to meet a modern day sailor who's going to show me Lisbon from a different perspective and hopefully teach me some sailing skills along the way. Pedro, hi. I'm Marika.
Oh, good. This is our sailboat for today, okay?
It's beautiful.
Yeah. Going out, enjoying a little bit of the breeze and seeing the old town.
I'm excited.
This is the monument that symbolizes all the discovery times. So we are always very honored to be here and sailing close to it.
It's really something. You can see that they built this to be seen from the water.
Yeah. We're going to prepare to hoist the mainsail, okay? So you can hold this line here.
I've always wanted to do this.
You can start pulling it.
Oh God, it's heavy. It's harder than I thought it would be.
Always good after lunch. Very good. Go, 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 go. And perfect. Very good.
She's up.
She's up.
Amazing.
We have a beautiful spot. It's my favorite spot on the river. It's this part because you can get a nice perspective from all the city, all the castle there on the top.
But what I also find really exciting about this is that we're so close to the open sea.
Yeah.
And so all this architecture, once upon a time it was about defending, Portugal from the sea, while also going out into the world and discovering it. And now it's just about hanging out on a boat. Yes. It was such a poetic experience. You're sitting on this boat and you've got sky everywhere, and so you're watching it do all these dramatic things. The lights coming through the clouds are clearing, the sky's changing from sort of a grey into a blue again. You're feeling the sun on your face, and having this perspective of Lisbon, seeing it from a boat is just the most peaceful way of experiencing this magnificent seaside city.